We're looking at Jim's Heritage Softail, an '09, you said?
No, 2011.
2011.
Yeah.
The 2011. So I came into the garage. He's working on it, putting some stuff and ripping some stuff apart. And I mentioned the Sportster tank, and so we are looking at it on the bike, and it looks spectacular on the bike. Wow, that big fat front tire, beautiful color. I never really appreciated that orange as much as I do right now. It was beautiful.
Little bit of extension in the forks there.
Yes, he actually extended his forks a little bit, so this suits this chopper look perfectly.
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice shot there. Yeah.
Oh my! I just love these big fat front tires. Oh man. So we're gonna be messing around with this bike a little bit today, and I might have a video for you, another one after. I'm not too sure, but wow, it looks so good right now. I'd love to see this bike look like this with that Springer front end. It would look even mean too. All right, take care, people.